Welcome back! Today is day 12 of Biology Domination Crash Course. This is not a teaching day. This is a battlefield. If you've been following this series, today we find out if what you studied actually stuck, or if it just passed through your brain like water through a sieve. We are covering 5 chapters today: Anatomy of Flowering Plants, Structural Organization in Animals with a special focus on the frog, Cell, the Unit of Life, Biomolecules, and Cell Cycle and Cell Division. I'm going to fire active recall questions at you. I want you to pause, think, and answer before I reveal. This is how toppers actually study. Let's begin. First trap question, and this one has killed marks for thousands of students. In a Dicot stem, how are the vascular bundles arranged? Options: scattered, arranged in a ring, absent, or in 2 rings. Pause right now. Think. Don't scroll. The answer is B, arranged in a ring, with a ring of cambium making them open and conjoined. Monocot stems have scattered bundles with no cambium, closed and conjoined. If you mix these up, write it down right now. NEET has asked this in multiple years with exactly this kind of swap. Second trap question, the frog. New addition to NEET 2026 syllabus and already a trap question goldmine. Active recall, 3 rapid-fire questions. 1. How many chambers does a frog's heart have? 2. What is special about the male frog's excretory and reproductive system? 3. What is the tympanum and what does the frog not have? Pause. Answer all 3. Ready? 1. 3 chambers, 2 atria and 1 ventricle. 2. The male frog has a combined urinogenital system. The same duct serves both functions. 3. The tympanum is the external ear, but the frog has no pinna. These 3 facts are NEET favorites. If you got all 3, you are locked in. Third trap question, cell, the unit of life. Let's test your organelle recall with the classics, but I want 0 hesitation. Powerhouse of the cell, mitochondria, and remember, it has its own DNA and ribosomes, making it semi-autonomous. Protein packaging and dispatch, Golgi apparatus, also makes lysosomes. Suicide bag, lysosomes, loaded with hydrolytic enzymes, works in autophagy. Kitchen of the cell, chloroplast, site of photosynthesis. Now the trap. Which of these is present in prokaryotes? None of them. Prokaryotes have no membrane-bound organelles. That distinction has appeared in NEET paper directly. Lock it in. Fourth trap question, biomolecules, and this chapter has some of the sneakiest questions in the paper. Active recall time. First, what type of bond holds the 2 strands of the DNA double helix together? Hydrogen bonds, not covalent, not ionic. The backbone has covalent bonds, but the strands are held by hydrogen bonds between base pairs. Second, enzymes are made of protein, specifically globular protein, though some RNA molecules called ribozymes also have enzymatic activity. Third and hardest, what does a low Km value for an enzyme indicate? It means high affinity. The enzyme doesn't need much substrate to reach half its maximum velocity. High Km means low affinity. This is a direct NEET concept. If you confused these, revise the enzyme kinetics graph right now. Fifth trap question, cell cycle and cell division, rapid fire. Longest phase of mitosis, prophase. Shortest phase, anaphase. G0 phase, cells that have exited the cell cycle and are in a non-dividing quiescent state, like neurons. Now, the classic NEET trap, colchicine. What does colchicine do and at which stage does it arrest the cell? Colchicine inhibits spindle formation by disrupting tubulin polymerization, and it arrests the cell at metaphase because without spindles, chromosomes can't separate. This is why it's used to study karyotypes. Chromosomes are most condensed and visible at metaphase. If you said prophase, you just lost 1 mark. It is metaphase. Write it on your hand if you have to. Let's do a score check. 6 major concept clusters tested today. Dicot versus monocot vascular bundles, check. Frog's 3-chambered heart, combined urinogenital system, and tympanum, check. Organelle functions and the prokaryote distinction, check. Hydrogen bonds in DNA double helix, check. Km value and enzyme affinity, check. And colchicine arresting at metaphase, check. Comment below how many you got right out of 6. If you scored 6 out of 6, you are genuinely on track. If you scored below 4, go back to those chapters tonight. Not tomorrow, tonight. NEET rewards consistency and immediacy. Day 12 is done. You just actively recalled 5 chapters in under 15 minutes. That is the difference between passive reading and real preparation. Tomorrow, we move into Physiology Week. Day 13 is Photosynthesis in higher plants, and it is dense, it is high weightage, and I will make it crystal clear. Download the free notes and PYQs from the link in the description. Share this video with one friend who needs revision today. Like, subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Keep going. NEET 2026 is yours to take.